I'm standing out here with Tom Stanley, and he is installing how much capping?
This will be 110 feet of this system here,
Okay.
and it takes an operator with a really good touch on the control, and my man here guiding him down. We guide him down, we set it, and the adjustment is made as we're setting the form on the brackets.
Let's walk over there. Tell me exactly how they're going to put this together. Tell us the process of what's happening here.
They just set it down like that. We bolt them together.
Okay.
At this bolt.
Right there.
And once we have a bolt in it,
Now, does he have to do that with? He just does it snug tight with his hand.
we bolt them all
Okay,
together.
you have a.
Yes, we bolt them all together.
Okay.
Not only does it hold them together, it's a safety thing for us that we